Hello dear students, very good morning to everybody. Let us today we are discussing the part of the nitrogen containing compound. Here first of all the nitrogen containing compounds, it is nothing but what naturally occurring nitrogenous compound. This is what, if we are having this is the nitrogen containing compounds, we know that this NO2, again what we can say ONO. So that is again this is the Cn is there, again Nc is there. So what is the name of these types of the compounds? Again, if you are having this C double bond O NH2, that is the name of compound. Again NO2 ONO Cn Nc, and this what NH2 is there. So what is the name? This NO2 as a functional group, we know that this is the NO2 nitro as a functional group. This is known as nitro compound. We can say this is also nitrite. Nitro or nitrite, this is the isonitrite, this is the nitro, or we can say isonitrite. Next is cyanide. This name is a cyanide, is known as also known as nitrite. NITRILE, nitrite. So this is what isocyanide. You can say isocyanide or isonitrite. This C double bond O NH2 is nothing but amide. The name of the compound is known as amide, and this is what amide. This NH2 is known as amide. So amide, it may be the primary amine, secondary amine. This is the classification of amine. Primary amine, secondary amine, and tertiary amine. Again what? Next one, this is the quaternary ammonium salt. This is the classification of amines. So ammonia. So this is the ammonium derivatives of hydrocarbons. We will discuss in the continuous part. This what is the amines and classification of amine. So these are the compounds which contain the nitrogen atoms. These are the compounds which containing the nitrogen atoms. Nitro, isonitro. This is the nitrite. Cyanide, again isocyanide, amine. This is amine is nothing but what? Primary amine, secondary amine, and tertiary amine. So we are discussing the part of these amines. What is amine? First, what is amine? Amine मतलब क्या है? What is amines? What is the definition of amine? Here, if we are having this is the ammonia, the name of the compound is nothing but what? Ammonia. So we will discuss, this is the explanation of this amines, ammonia. What is the primary amines? If we are having this one hydrogen atoms are replaced by one alkyl group. Here two hydrogen atoms is replaced by two alkyl group, and what? Three hydrogen atoms are replaced by three alkyl group. Not only alkyl group but also aryl group or phenyl group. So what is the here formation of RNH2, again here formation of R2NH, and here formation of what? R3H. So whatever in this case ammonium derivatives of hydrocarbon, इसमें से हमने अमोनिया से फॉर्मेशन किया. This is what? One hydrogen atoms are replaced. One hydrogen atom is replaced by one alkyl group in ammonia. So that is nothing but primary amine. इसको कहा जाता है primary amine. Then here two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two alkyl group in ammonia is known as secondary amine. इसको कहते हैं secondary amine. The next one is that three hydrogen atoms are replaced by three alkyl group. Three hydrogen atoms are replaced by three alkyl group in ammonia. So whatever, there is nothing but tertiary amine. इसको कहते हैं tertiary amine. So what how can I explain? This is the ammonium derivatives of hydrocarbon. यहाँ पे हमको ऐसा बोलना है ammonium derivatives of hydrocarbon in which replacement of one or more than one hydrogen atoms, in which replacement of one or more than one hydrogen atom by one or more than one alkyl or aryl group is known as amine. Is known as amine. So this is what the definition of amine. Classification of amine. तो amine का classification की हम बात करेंगे. Primary amine, secondary amine और tertiary amine. So another type we can take, this is the quaternary ammonium salt. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी अमाइन? प्राइमरी अमाइन किसको कहेंगे? वेरी सिंपल, दिस व्हाट वन हाइड्रोजन एटम्स, सो दैट इज द फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन ऑफ प्राइमरी अमाइन इज दैट। यहाँ पे हम डेफिनेशन को एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, प्राइमरी अमाइन, सेकेंडरी अमाइन और टर्शियरी अमाइन को। सो फर्स्ट व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी अमाइन? इसमें से अमोनिया में से एक हाइड्रोजन एटम को रिप्लेस करेंगे। किससे रिप्लेस करेंगे? एक अल्किल ग्रुप से। चलो यहाँ पे हमको प्राइमरी अमाइन क्या है ये एक्सप्लेन करना है। सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय प्राइमरी अमाइन? वेरी सिंपल, सो द प्राइमरी अमाइन इज दैट this ammonium derivatives of hydrocarbon in which replacement of one hydrogen atom by one alkyl or one aryl group। यहाँ से एक अल्किल, एक हाइड्रोजन एटम्स को रिप्लेस करना है एक अल्किल ग्रुप से, that is formation of primary amine। if we are having the one hydrogen atoms are replaced by one alkyl or one aryl group is known as primary amine। So how we can explain what is the definition? One hydrogen atoms is replaced by one alkyl or one aryl group in ammonium derivatives of hydrocarbon or in ammonia is known as primary amine, is known as primary amine। अब इसका example, what is the example? We can say CH3NH2, CH3NH2 methylamine। अब यहाँ पे हम नॉमेनक्लेचर में देखेंगे, methylamine common name, Ayurvedic name, this is what aminomethane, we can say what aminomethane or methanamine, इसको हम methanamine भी कहते हैं, methanamine। So not only aliphatic but also cyclic is also, what is the name? Cyclohexyl amine। Next example, not only cyclic but also aromatic, what is the name? Aniline, aminobenzene, aniline का नाम है aminobenzene। So not only this aromatic but also we can take this one heterocyclic compound, this nitrogen, this is nitrogen, what is the name? 2-aminopyridine। What I can say? These types of the compound, heterocycle, 6-member heterocycle, 6-member heterocycle, name of the compound is what? 2-aminopyridine, name of the compound is what? 2-aminopyridine। This is the primary amine, this is the tertiary amine, the name of the compound is what? 2-aminopyridine, aminobenzene, aniline, cyclohexylamine, methylamine, ethylamine, propylamine, isopropylamine, tertiary butylamine। These are the example of primary amine। किसके एग्जाम्पल है? प्राइमरी अमाइन के एग्जाम्पल है। कौन से? N-propylamine, what I can say? This is what? CH3, CH2। यहाँ पे हम एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे बताएंगे। So what is the name? CH3, so what is that? CH3 NH2 methylamine, CH3 CH2 NH2 ethylamine, isopropylamine, this is isopropylamine, tertiary butylamine, again secondary butylamine, this is secondary butylamine। What is the name? Secondary butylamine, secondary butylamine, tertiary butylamine, tertiary butylamine, again what? This is isopropylamine, isopropylamine। These are the example of primary amines। So in continuation of part, secondary amine किसको कहेंगे? secondary amine when replacement of, यहाँ पे अमोनिया लेना है, फिर अमोनिया लिया। So what about replacement of two hydrogen atom, replacement of two hydrogen atom by two alkyl group or two aryl group। So what about formation of secondary amine R2 NH, Ar2 NH. So these are the secondary amine. इसको कहते हैं secondary amine. So that is what I will explain this secondary amine. So that is the secondary amine with 2 hydrogen atom. दूसरा एग्जांपल, दूसरा क्लासिफिकेशन है 2 नंबर का क्लासिफिकेशन सेकेंडरी अमाइन when 2 hydrogen atom are replaced by 2 alkyl or 2 aryl group in ammonia is known as secondary amine. तो चलो इसके क्या करते हैं, एग्जांपल देखते हैं. एग्जांपल ऑफ सेकेंडरी अमाइन कौन से एग्जांपल है? वेरी सिंपल, नाइट्रोजन, लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, हाइड्रोजन, CH3 क्या बोलेंगे? डाइमेथिल. व्हाट इज द नेम? डाइमेथिल अमाइन. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, CH2CH3 डाइएथिल अमाइन. नाइट्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन, पीएच एटम, 2 फिनिल, क्या बोलेंगे? डाइफेनिल what? डाइफेनिल अमाइन. The name of the example is what? Biaryl, diphenyl amine. So these are the example of secondary amine. Another types of the example, nitrogen containing 6 member, 5 member, nitrogen containing 5 member heterocyclic compound. What is the name? Pyrrole. Nitrogen containing 5 member heterocyclic compound. So this is the most applicable in a medicinal purpose: antibacterial, antifungal, antibiotic, anti-inflammatory, antiviral. So these types of the compound, nitrogen containing, sulfur containing, halogen containing, phosphorus containing, oxygen containing. It is nothing but nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur. कौन से कंपाउंड है? हेटेरोसाइक्लिक. हेटेरो एटम कंटेनिंग कंपाउंड मोस्ट यूजफुल होते हैं बायोलॉजिकल, मोस्ट यूजफुल. दैट्स व्हाई दिस टाइप्स ऑफ द कंपाउंड. अगेन अनदर टाइप्स ऑफ द कंपाउंड, नाइट्रोजन कंटेनिंग 5 member pyridine. Name of the compound pyridine. These are the tertiary amine. This is again what? Biological. These types of the compound useful for the preparation of bioactive compound. It is most useful as biological. Another types of the compound, heterocyclic compound. Quinoline. Name of the compound quinoline. Another example, we can say this is what? Bicyclic. Again 5 member, 6 member, 5 member, 6 member containing fused compound. 6 plus 6 member. 2 6 member है, एक 6 member, एक 5 member. क्या बोलते हैं? फ्यूज हेटेरोसाइकल. इसको कहते हैं फ्यूज हेटेरोसाइकल. 6 member bicyclo fuse heterocycle. 6 member 5 member bicyclo 6 hetero. This is nothing but fuse heterocycle. Name indole. Name of compound indole. This is secondary amine. This one is a tertiary amine. So these are the example most useful biologically active compound. Biologically most useful in medicinal purpose. Biologically active such as antibiotic, antifungal, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antioxidant. These types of the compound, these are the biological. Next types of example, that is what? Tertiary amine. Next classification number 3rd, tertiary amine. What is the tertiary amine? किसको कहते हैं tertiary amine? This is what a very simple ammonia. We are having ammonia, 1 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen atom are replaced by 3 alkyl group. क्या कहा? 3 hydrogen atom are replaced by 3 aryl group. अल्किल ग्रुप या अरील ग्रुप से रिप्लेस कर